Okay, now take note. What am I going to show you now are examples of badly drawn graphs. And it deserves like a thumbs down. Okay, a thumbs down. Whoops. Doesn't matter. Ignore what happened in the last 20 seconds. Badly drawn graphs, and it deserves a thumbs down.
It looks like this.
It's a 6. No, this is an arm. So a person is standing there with a big thumbs down. Now, what are examples of bad graph? Let me zoom in a little bit for you. Okay? One example of badly drawn graph. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, we say that we must have balance. Balance. Very balanced. 3 on each side. But very, very not best. This is not best fit, okay? So what do I mean by best fit in such a case is it must follow the pattern of all my points. This is the trend. This is the pattern. So that will be a better graph. Another example. Another example of a badly drawn graph. I have 6 points like this, and it's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Haha, 6 points. So what do I do? Now there are 2 things I can do. I can draw through all my straight lines like this, but I leave 1 point far away. Is this wrong? No. Technically, it's not wrong because this is still balanced and it still seems to be best fit. But a better line will be like this. Something that goes through the middle but yet still is balanced. That's totally horrible. Let me a ruler. I shall use a ruler to draw a best fit line. Now you see, if I draw this way, it's a much better fit line because I pass through 1 or 2 of the points and I still have balance on both sides. And the rest of the points are not so far from the line. So this is much better. Okay, much better. Okay, let's have one last example. This is the one that I was trying to tell you just now. I have 6 points that seem to form a very... So in this case, I can't draw here. Neither can I draw it here because both of it will be unbalanced. Do I draw it here? Yes, it seems balanced, but did you notice the top of the line can go nearer to the points? The bottom of the line can also go nearer to the point. So this is not a good line. So what will be a better line? I'm going to shift my ruler now to show you. It should be in between the points like this with balanced points on both sides. Can you see now? It's much better. There are points that are on top as well as points below. So this is a much balanced line. Now this will come with experience. So as you continue to practice, you'll find that you'll get easier and easier to draw best fit straight line. Rather than drawing through the middle, but the top can be tilted right nearer, the bottom can be tilted left nearer. So this is, usually this is what happens in between them all. Now, that's a very good question by Rizmi. And Rizmi appears on the recording now. What if you have a line like this? All the points pass through the line, except one that is not just outside, but way further away. What do we do in such a case? Now, Now, don't check anything first. When you have an experiment and it all seems to be like this, quickly circle it, consider it a stray point, and go on with the rest of the experiment. Remember what I say? As long as you have 5 points correct, I'm going to give you the mark. So this is way off. This could be due to several reasons. Number one, human error, or careless mistakes. Number two, maybe when you do the experiment, suddenly the wind blow, your experiment fly out, and then you have a reading that's way off. So this is considered a proper. If you are a real scientist, you will have readings like this that suddenly go way off. So what do? Circle it, leave it, finish the experiment. If you have enough time, come back and do an extra point. You may find that, oh, it's nearer. But if you have no time, what do, Dennis? If you have no time, what happens if you have no time to come back and repeat one more extra point? He has absolutely no idea. But actually the answer is, if you have no time, you have no choice. Leave it. Okay? There's nothing you can do anyway. So, circling the point that is stray lets me know that you understand this is a random error. So, it will not affect your results in any way. However, if you have something that is close by like this is not considered a stray point. Even if it's here, it's still not considered a stray point. So do not circle it. It is part of your graph.